I'm going to show you the work of the best French drain installer in Florida. I'm going to show you why this guy is always 3 to 4 months booked out. If you need a French drain in Florida, in the area that he services, get on his list. He's worth the wait. When you want it done right the first time, give Sam a call.
This is the second trailer already. We already filled up the first one. Pure clay here. I mean, it's crazy. So we're still gonna put a French drain through here, a little one. The main concern is the back and this one side. There's a community drain that they have here, but it gets overwhelmed. It's not doing much. All right, so we got most of the clips in. We have 4 perforated pipes in here and 1 solid. I'm only gonna have end caps on the 2 on the top. The 2 on the bottom, I'm gonna have cleanouts over here to be able to access the system. French Drain Man's clips, these things work amazing. They're easy to put on. I mean, they just clip on and let's go. I used to use tie straps. It takes a little bit of time with the tie straps. With these, all you have to do is clip, and that's it. And it keeps the pipe together. Now we're putting fabric over here, get everything to the pump. We're gonna be running the downspout separately. Any stone I've tried to get for French drains comes with sediment, especially river rock and stuff. So I'm gonna show you something that we do and why other contractors are going faster, but they're cutting so many corners. And you as the client would never know. It's gonna be another one right here. We have to finish putting the perimeter drain, the pump. So any rock I get is something contractors don't do. I'm gonna show you. You guys see all that sediment right there? This is why things take time. See all this crap in here? This is what they throw in your French drain. They don't care. You know, sometimes people tell me, oh, that takes too much time. Well, I care for my clients enough not to dump this crap in there. That shovel, and we come with a hard rake. So we take the hard rake and we separate everything this way to get rid of all this, all the little fine rocks, because those are the ones that are going to plug our system up. So we get rid of all this sediment and we separate it right over there. That way we give you pure stone. Yeah, all stone. It's a little bit of little ones, but not a lot. I mean, if we come in here with flat shovels and just start dropping everything in there, you must know. This is why other contractors are moving faster. Because they're just coming in with a flat shovel or even a dingo, and they're carrying all this and then dumping it right in there. So you don't know. Look at that. I don't care what rock you get. I've looked for screened and washed rock. Nowhere around my area. Look at that. This is the worst batch of rock I've gotten. Usually out of 5 tons, I'll have just that much of debris in. I guarantee you we're gonna have a lot on this one. I'm just showing you guys, these are things where I don't cut corners. This is why projects take a little bit longer. Look at all this that would have been thrown in your system. All this would settle at the bottom and pack. We don't want that. Hey, look at all the water just seeping out of the, as if there was a pop-up. It's seeping. You see the water just seeping out of the ground all around. It's been raining for a while. I gotta get that rock out of there. It's not allowing the water to flow this way. Look at how the water just flowing. And the French drain is full. I mean, we are full. This is why this client needed a French drain, people. Max. We are maxed. I'm gonna have to turn on this pump for now real quick. See how this whole trench is full. All the water from the French drain is going down that way. Oh, this corner holds a lot of water. See how it runs down. See a French drain. See all the water from the French drain. Once I turn on that pump, see the water in there? Once I turn on that pump, it will run everything out. Just showing you guys. This is why this client needed a French drain. All this water gets held up here. And the pop-up is right there. So yeah, we gotta turn this thing on. It is full. Full. Let me plug this in. Alright, so you can see the levels going down. It was up here. Down there already. And it's quiet for anybody that ever has questions. I get clients asking me, is it loud? What's the noise? No noise. You can see the stone already. See, the trench already went down. We're 4 feet deep here. So all that water from here goes right to here. This water will be kicking water out to the street while it's raining. This whole area floods. There's not a storm drain. It goes around the corner. Then there's a storm drain over there. Now we're pumping all the water because we didn't have a pump on it. Oh yeah, it makes it right to the city storm drain. May not look like a lot. There's a lot of water going in there.